Okay, so we have our last problem for today, and that is when we're given the roots, we're supposed to find the equation for a polynomial function. You can see that I have 3 roots here, so that means my answer should be an x cubed when we're all done. One of them is a real root, the other 2 are complex or imaginary roots. And we're going to go ahead and start with these 2 over here. Roots are values that are, they're x values, they're inputs. So I'm going to set x equal to these 2. Both of them are -3, and then one has a positive I and the other has a negative I, so we're going to write it like that. Now we're going to go ahead and move the -3 over. So we have x plus 3 equals plus or minus I. To get rid of the plus minus, I'm going to go ahead and square both sides. Remember that squaring means that there are 2 of them, so I'm just going to write it out for you. And that positive times positive is a positive, negative times negative is a positive, so all of that disappears and this becomes I squared. We go ahead and simplify that further and I get x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals I squared is -1. Move your -1 over, you get x squared plus 6x plus 10. All right, so that took care of these 2. Now I need to go ahead and take care of the 4. So this was a x minus 4 in parentheses. And then I have this stuff down here. It's going to come over here as well. X squared plus 6x plus 10. And now I'm going to FOIL all that out. So go ahead and FOIL that out and check back with me here in a couple of seconds. So I went ahead and finished foiling all of that and I ended up with y equals x cubed plus 2x squared minus 14x minus 40. There's another one for you to try out there. Thank you.